Dear students, myself Shiva HB, Assistant Professor of Physics. In this lecture, we will learn about Gauss theorem. Let's have a recap of what we have learnt in the previous classes. We have learnt that curl of a vector field A is given by del cross A is equal to determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, ax, ay, az. Curl of a vector field is also a vector field. The curl of a vector field is a measure of the field's tendency to circulate about a point. The overall direction of the curl represents the axis about which the rotation is greatest. Divergence of vector field A is given by del dot A is equal to dou Ax by dou x plus dou Ay by dou y plus dou Az by dou z. Gauss theorem. It states that the volume integral of the divergence of a vector field A taken over any volume V is equal to the surface integral of A taken over the closed surface surrounding the volume. That is, triple integral over volume V of del dot A into dV is equal to double integral over surface S of vector A dot ds. That is, triple integral of divergence of vector field A over a volume V is equal to the double integral of vector A over a closed surface surrounding that volume. Gauss theorem is used to transform volume integral into surface integral or surface integral into volume integral. The integral over the surface gives the flux of A through the surface. If we integrate over the surface, it will give us the amount of flux of that vector field through that surface. The flux of A is the total amount of fluid passing through the surface per unit time. If A is the velocity of the fluid, this should be equal to the total volume of fluid being produced within the volume V per second. Gauss theorem leads from the integral form to the differential form of Gauss laws in electrostatics as well as magnetostatics. Application of Gauss theorem. Let us prove that double integral over a surface S r dot ds is equal to 3v, where r is the position vector at any point on the surface enclosing volume V. According to Gauss theorem, triple integral over V of divergence of position vector r, that is del dot r into dV, is equal to double integral over S of r dot ds, where r is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. By calculating the divergence of r, we get del dot r is equal to 3. This one we can easily calculate from the definition of the divergence for position vector r. If we substitute this in the left hand side, we will get triple integral of del dot r into dV becomes equal to triple integral over volume V 3 dV. In the place of del dot r, we have substituted 3 dV. That should be equal to double integral over surface S r dot ds according to Gauss theorem. Or it can be written as double integral over S r dot ds is equal to 3 into V, because summation over V with respect to V gives us the same entity, that is V. Therefore, right hand side is equal to 3V. We have proved the required result. Let us summarize what we have learnt in this lecture. Gauss theorem is given by triple integral over V divergence of A into dV is equal to double integral over surface S A dot ds. It is used to transform volume integral into surface integral or the surface integral into volume integral. Gauss theorem leads from the integral form to the differential form of Gauss law in electrostatics as well as Gauss law in magnetostatics. These are some of the references. Thank you.